welcome from Brasilia at the Rio Hotel, Clint Carvalho.
How you doing?
Clint.
Hi.
Guys being so noisy, let's just show us your bird, Clint.
Anyway. This one?
I suppose this seems to be the
This one's Beatrice. She's going to do a little talking. Hi, Beatrice.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
That's her Canadian version. Say hello.
Hello.
There you go. Hey, do you think you're pretty? Now we're going to sing a little song for you called Oh, What a Beautiful Morning, Oh, What a Beautiful Day, okay? My turn. I've got this beautiful, everything's going. Yeah. I think you should sing with the bird. What do you guys think? Should Vicki sing with the bird? Then we can see who sings better.
Okay,
you want to do it?
Well, sure, what do I do?
Well, you're going to sing a song called Why Do Fools Fall in Love. That's her favorite song. I know we have a cue card. Or you learned it.
Why do birds
Why don't you come over here?
sing
You act like me.
Yeah, I know.
Let's start over again. Go.
Why do birds sing so and why do lovers await the break of?
You messed it all up.
Lovers await the break of.
She says you need to warm your voice up.
Okay.
She goes start over
Why
again.
do birds sing?
No, she goes, you need a little bit more warming up.
Why do birds
Beatrice.
sing so?
You're not in pitch, she said. You're way off.
Why do
Let's start.
birds sing so?
I'll start it for you. You sing the middle part. You go, and lovers await the break of day. I'll sing the first part, right? Why do birds
and lovers await the break of day. Why do they fall in?
Let's give Beatrice a big hand. I'll get another bird. Hang on here.
Can I tell you something? They're not all toilet trained, I'll tell you that
Hey! I think there's some eggs in this one. Take that.
Oh, my Lord. Oh, heavens.
Yeah, definitely check for eggs in that one. Right now, I'm going to bring out the #1 flying bird in the world.
This isn't it?
No, this is, yeah, she's not a flying bird,
Okay.
even though she stole that wig. Are you ready? Her name is Kitten. Are you ready, Kitten? Come on, Kitten, let her out. Let her go. Come on, Kitty. Watch your head. There you go.
Hey.
Why don't you do something? There you go. Anyway. Now, Kitten likes to deliver all my mail. Let's see if we can do this. I have a letter sitting back here. Are you ready to see the letter? The mailbox, Kitten? Deliver it. Now, there's a mail slot there. Turn that thing around, slide it in. All the way. Yeah, don't forget the flag. Thank you. Right now, I have 2 lovely assistants from the Rio Hotel in Brasilia. To my left is Mickey, and to my right is Scarlett. I have a couple hoops out there. I'll tell you what Kitten's going to attempt to do, and I have to stress attempt.
I don't think anybody's looking at their hoops, Clint.
She's going to attempt to fly from this perch across your head to the first hoop on my left-hand side, then across all of your heads, missing them by inches. She likes to fly low. To the second hoop to my right and back to me. And I have to warn you guys, since she's flying so low, when she's flying over your heads and you're looking up, keep your mouth shut, okay? Anyway, this is going to be it for me. Let's see if she can do this, okay? Are you ready, Kitten? There's the hoop that way. There's one. Oh, she missed that one completely. She's looking around. Should I try it one more time? Should I try it one more time? One more time. This way. See the hoop over here? Hey, Kitten, this way. Let's get it. Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Get it. Whoa. There we go. Now we're good.
Yeah.
That's it. Yes. That's it.
Thank you, Clint. It's
you.
sitting on my shoulder.
That's the Smurf.
This is the Smurf.
Give her a kiss.
Thank you very, very much, Smurf. That was lovely. And thank you. That was really, really fun.